Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Summer Girl, New York City. This video is somewhere in the Philippines. This is the ferry in Matnog, Sorsogon. My sister is going home to our province. It's almost fiesta celebration in my province, Samar, and enjoy the video.
Ano ba naman ang
Yung mga bangka na yan and the people, they are super good divers. If you throw a coins, they'll find it for you. I think this is isa sa mga hanap buhay nila to earn money through the ferry passenger. Like if you throw a coins in the water and they'll find it for you and they keep it. Ang hirap ng buhay. I can see a mother holding her baby. Pero ang galing nila, ang saya ng ginagawa nila. I've been away from home for almost 24 years. I really miss my hometown. So it took from Manila to my hometown, Samar. So ang biyahe from Manila to my hometown province in Samar, isang araw at kalahati. So ang tagal ng biyahe, 1 day and a half. Travel sa bus. But before you get there to my hometown, you have to ride the ferry. And you will enjoy this view, these people, natural divers.
Kasama mga baby nila.
I wish I can swim like that. Like them. Ang galing. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy watching this video that my sister took while she's on the ferry ride. So she will get off in Alin, northern Samar, and then from there it's gonna be like an hour more travel, bus ride till she gets home. Thanks everyone. So this is this view is from Matnog, Sorsogon-Ferry ride. Thank you for watching.
Ah.